Hello friends, in this video I want to share information that happened to one motorist. Friends, the tachometer needle at idle when you press the gas pedal does not react. It seems to freeze. It turned out to be dips in speed and then rises sharply. So it came to replacing the fuel pump, injector, spare plugs, even replace the engine. During the diagnostic, a malfunction of the crankshaft sensor was revealed. But when replacing it, there on the seat of the sensor shell itself, an oil seal was left, which eventually hardened and stuck on the seat. When they replaced the crank sensor with a new one, the new one also had an oil seal. When installing the sensor in place, now it turned out two oil seals, since the old one was not removed, from which the crankshaft sensor could not correctly calculate the engine speed.